One of the best way to develop our research idea is to ask ChatGPT to suggest to us about what kind of research that we can do with the topic of our areas, and also you must clearly what actually you want to proceed with this. For example, here I use VR in education, then I focus on user experience among students, which is a second prompt to give a clear idea to ChatGPT about what actually detailed information that I'm trying to get. And then I put another prompt. I ask for outline this research, okay, uh, research flow, and also make it in bullet point. So this is honestly is a very general um, prompt, which we don't give a very specific details about the research, but it is good to start with this kind of approach, just to let you know about the flow and also the structure of the research based on the GPT dataset. Okay, and then from there you can follow by the chain prompt, which is gaps, which is more details. We ask suggest three gaps in this area, so it will come up with more details output over here. And then um, once you already obtain the result, you can ask to make it simpler by asking make it simplify, um, and put it only important points here. Okay, so you start to see a better outputs, um, more summarized versions. And then if you want to choose any point here, you just mention point number one, okay. Then extract the research. Okay, so now you start to see more uh, focus output. Okay, these kind of techniques you need to do like step by step and prompt by prompt. And then you need to treat yourself like communicating to bots, where if you think certain thing which is not really fit your doesn't really fit your questions answer correctly, you can try to reprompt the things. Okay, so like this here, I try to play around with create a problem statement, provide the gaps. So by training multiple time, it will be very helpful, especially in generating the correct direction uh, of this research. Okay, you can see here I did multiple times the same thing, but sometimes with more um enhanced, modified prompt. Okay, so hopefully you get some idea, and I really happy if you can try to play around with your prompt.